allows you to edit multiple images and blend them together. In this case, I'm going to replace the background that I just removed using select and mask. To get that, I need to find an image that is going to work in that space and might look interesting to me. So I'm going to go to Unsplash.com. Unsplash.com is high quality, royalty-free images that you have permission to use. Get in the habit of using images that you have permission to use. It's going to end up being better in the long run. Because you could end up using an image that you don't have permission to use if you just do a Google search. So just make sure that you find an image that is interesting to you to use. Right off the home page, I'm just going to choose this one. It looks kind of interesting. I think it would be a good background. And I'm going to click Download Photo. Once I've done that, it's going to show up in my Downloads bar. And I'm going to open up Photoshop again, and I'm going to then place it in the background. To do that, I go up to File and select Place Embedded. And I find the image in my downloads, click Place, and it's going to place it in my image. And I think what I want to do here is actually maybe make that a little bit bigger. So I'm going to drag one of the corners of the bounding box. I'm going to just zoom out a little bit here so I can see exactly where it's going to crop it. And I might move that over just slightly so I get sort of a hint of the sun in the background. Then I'm going to commit that edit by clicking on the check mark. Great, but wait, where did the image go? Well, if I go to Layers, and I drag this down just so that we can see it, I can see the image that I edited is below the image that I just placed. So what I need to do is actually click and drag that above in the Layers panel, and now my image is on a new background.